Good morning, students. Let's continue Chapter 12, Applications of Biotechnology of Class 12. Okay, in the previous class, we have discussed about gene therapy. Okay, and it is an important part, that is applications of biotechnology in medicine. First one, insulin production. Second one, gene therapy. Now, third one, that is molecular diagnosis. Okay, third applications of biotechnology in medicine, that is molecular diagnosis. Molecular diagnosis. Okay, so what is molecular diagnosis? We can detect the disease at early stage and the late stage. But at the early stage, detection of disease is easier, and we can prevent disease quickly by using this method, that is molecular diagnosis. So what is molecular diagnosis? The various methods by which we can detect, you can say find out, we can detect a particular disease at early stage. Early means just started. Particular disease at early stage called molecular diagnosis. Molecular diagnosis. In case of conventional method, the detection of disease takes place at a late stage that was harmful to the patient, and it can not easily prevented. But with the help of molecular diagnosis, we can prevent the disease at early stage. Why the name is molecular diagnosis? Because the disease may be caused by either the transfer of genetic material, DNA and RNA, into the host cell, or you can say by the complete pathogen. Okay. Why the name is molecular diagnosis? Because there is treatment of the molecules, especially DNA and RNA. So the name is called molecular diagnosis, and this DNA and RNA inserted by the pathogen into the host body. Okay, there are three methods of molecular diagnosis. The first one is called PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. Second one is rDNA technology, and third one ELISA. Okay, the first one PCR. In this method, we can amplify the genetic material of pathogen, either DNA and RNA. And by amplifying the genetic material, we can easily find out the nature of the pathogen, and we can prevent the pathogen by special method. So, the first one is PCR, second one rDNA technology. In this method, we can prevent a particular pathogen that causes disease by using radiolabeled single-stranded DNA and RNA that is hybridized with the clone of cells. And finally, autoradiography in case of rDNA technology. And third one is the ELISA. ELISA stands for enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. It is based on antigen-antibody interaction. So with the help of a special antibody and enzyme, we can find out the particular antigen that caused the disease. ELISA is specially used to detect AIDS disease that is caused by HIV, and HIV stands for human immunodeficiency. HIV virus that causes the AIDS disease, and AIDS stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, so once again, what is molecular diagnosis? The various method that is used to prevent the disease, or you can say detect the disease at early stage of life, known as molecular diagnosis. There is a diagnosis of biomolecule, especially DNA and RNA, so the name is molecular diagnosis. And especially a disease caused either the entry of genetic material, like with the help of virus, DNA and RNA, or the entry of complete pathogen into the host body. And three methods, the mainly is PCR. With the help of PCR, we can amplify the genetic material of the pathogen, and by special method, we can prevent the genetic material that cause the disease in the host body. Second one, rDNA technology. In this method, a radio-labeled single-stranded DNA and RNA, that is known as radioactive probes, used to hybridized clone of cells to prevent, or you can say to find out the disease. And ELISA, it is based on antigen antibody interaction. In this method, a particular antigen is detected by using a special kind of antibody with the help of enzyme called alkaline phosphatase. So this is all about molecular diagnosis. In the next class, we will discuss about transgenic animals, bioethical issues, biopatent and biopiracy. Thank you.